Hello, my name is Anita and I will be taking you through our project presentation presented by Brian Kiptol, Anita Heather, Kasan Wanjohi, Angela Wakarura, and Vincent Mwanda. Our project was virtual commissioning and digital twinning of the Phase 2 MPS station with Internet of Things. Virtual commissioning is whereby we created a virtual model that is identical to the physical model and works exactly as the physical model does. Digital twinning is whereby both the virtual model and the physical model work together simultaneously. Internet of Things was incorporating a mobile app to also control the station. So we'll start with the control via mobile app in manual mode, and then we'll proceed to control via the virtual mode in manual mode, virtual model in manual mode, and then we'll finish with control via mobile app in automatic mode. So this is the controls for both stations, for the distribution station and for the sorting station. Once you press the start button, workpiece is ejected from the magazine. You can follow it here also. And at that point, it stopped to ensure there's no more workpieces on the line. It's moving to the second station. You press the start button on the sorting station, start button on the sorting station, and the workpiece is sorted or put in the right chute depending on its material and color. Again, you can follow the steps on the mobile app. So the workpiece moves. It's red. We should expect it to go to the second chute because that's where the red workpieces go. And yes, the blocker for the second chute. So for the manual mode, we have to keep pressing the start button at each step to move the workpiece along the conveyor until the end of the line. You can see that also in pictorial form here. Yeah. So that's for in manual mode via mobile app. We'll proceed to virtual model. So here we press the start button on the virtual model, and you can watch the LED for the start button on the physical model. It lights up when there's a signal for it to start. So when we start it here, we expect it to also start here. I'll just back up a bit and yeah. So starting, workpiece is ejected here. Then it travels until the blocker, the one that makes sure there's no more workpieces on the line. And then it proceeds on to the next station. Now we have to press the start button from the sorting station. And it is a black workpiece, so it should move to the last chute. We can also follow that on the virtual model. We can follow the steps on the mobile app as well. So yes, to the last chute. So that's control in manual mode via the virtual model. And here we are monitoring the station, seeing what is going on, if it's happening as it should. Again, start on the distribution station. Workpiece is ejected. It's a red workpiece. It's a metallic workpiece. The next one is red. It's a metallic workpiece. And it's checked. It should go to the first chute. we expect it to go to the first shoot. And yes, it does. So right now we're switching to the automatic mode using the key, the sorting station, distribution station, and yeah, we'll be using the mobile app to control it on that front. So we'll come to the tab for all stations, and yeah, restacking the magazine or pieces into the magazine. So when you press start, yeah, the process already began. Sorry. When you press start, you can see the steps here, and yeah, manual mode. Sorry, on the distribution station. And yeah, the process just keeps going on and on and on, and finally we will be expecting, so far the count has been 5 black ones, 3 red ones, 5 metallic, 3 red ones, and 4 black ones. Obviously I removed some of the work pieces to restock on the magazine. Thank you for watching.